Welcome back, squaddies, to another day of LEANMAS. And today we are working on a 5-minute arm challenge that you can do from your living room and get those arms stronger, leaner, and more toned than ever before. So get excited for today's challenge. We're gonna do it right here in my hotel room. You can join along, but first, remember, it is the season of giving. So give me a like and subscribe so you never miss the leanness again. And otherwise, just buckle up, because we're gonna work these arms from the living room like you have never ever worked them before. 5 minutes, that's all it's gonna take. Let's get this lean party started. All right, squaddies, the name of the game today is arms. We are working our arms. This is a super difficult arm challenge, but again, like any day, I just want you to do your best. I'm certainly gonna try my best, and all I ask is you do the same. We're trying to get as many reps as possible in 30 seconds, then we're gonna have 15 seconds rest. Now, I have a little stool here in the corner of the room that I'm gonna use for a couple of these exercises. You do not need it, but it's a great option to have because we're gonna do some elevated push-ups. Otherwise, you just drop down to your knees and do the same move that I'm doing from your knees. The rest, well, the rest isn't important. You just gotta follow me, get a nice big smile on your face, and let's get this lean party started. Here we go. First exercise of the challenge is tempo push-ups. We're gonna start in that normal push-up position, feet wide apart or shoulder width apart, nice strong position, and we're gonna go slow up and slow down. These are called tempo push-ups, all right? As slow as you can down, as slow as you can up. 3, 2, 1, here we go. This arm party officially started. So, on these, nice and slow down, and the key here is you always wanna come up quick, but we're actually gonna come up extra slow. And like I said, if you struggle with this, you can do this exercise or any of these on your knees. Now we're back down again. Count it out in your head. Hold at the bottom, and then hold it at that bottom range. 2, 1, rest. All right, next up is diamond push-ups. Told you I'm gonna do them elevated here. You can do them from your knees. Diamond push-up is that diamond hand position. So your fingers are basically touching, and we're going down just like that. And you can see my nice strong position there. Core is tight, hands are touching, and my elbows are actually pointing outwards instead of forward and back. 15 seconds to go. If you start struggling with this, even when you're elevated, I want you to drop down to your knees just like that and keep repping it out. Yes, rest. Whew. That one was tough. Okay, next one is negative push-ups. So like we did in that tempo push-up, we're gonna go slow down, and then we're gonna come back up really quick. Nice and explosive. So 2, 1, slow down. Oh wow, this is getting hard. And up. See how it came up super fast? Or at least fast for me. And up. Come on. Oh, that's it. I'm in my last rep range here. And up. Whew. Hudson wants in on the lean party. Come on, last couple reps. 2, 1. Wow. That is tough. Okay, I'm going to do dips on the bench again here. Oh, man. My arms are on fire. I think Hudson realized how tough this one is and he ran away. Okay, we're gonna go feet out. My hands are on the bench here, just working on those dips. Your arms are probably gonna feel toasted right now if you're like me. So what you can do is actually bring your feet in nice and close. The further your feet are out, the harder it's gonna be to do these dips. We've got 10 seconds to go though. Oh man. 3, 2, 1. Whew. All right. Now, this next push-up is really difficult one. And again, I wanted to mix everything up so you can start on your arms or on your knees, sorry. What we're gonna do here is the archer push-up. So like that. See how I'm shifting sides? And I kind of turn my hand out and slide out. So, oh, wow, sweaties, this is a hard one. You can tell because I can barely talk. Whew. Oh, so the archer push-ups, you're just sliding along. Now, we're getting close to the end, squatties, getting very close to the end. We're gonna go for a push-up hold. All right, so 3, 2, 1. We're just gonna hold as long as we can here at that bottom range. Come on, hold, hold, hold. If you got it on your knees, come on, keep holding. 10 seconds to go. Come on, push, push, push. 5, 3, 2, 1. Wow. Oh, that one is hard. All right, last exercise is just an elevated push-up. So again, on the bench here, remember you can do this on your knees. Wow, shake out those arms. We're barely getting any rest. This is a brutal one. All right, so this is the last round. We got 20 seconds to go here. Oh, my chest is burning. Whew. Come on, really dig deep. Last 15 seconds, come on, we can do it. Oh, wow. So that is it. Holy smokes. My arms, can barely feel them. Wow. Jeez, I'm lost for words. So that was a really, really difficult one. A really difficult arm challenge, but remember, I always try and think of it this way. The most challenging things are often the most rewarding. So it's like a lean journey. It's like anything really that is hard. It's probably gonna be so rewarding and super beneficial. So don't worry if you had to take breaks. I had to take breaks in that one. That is a tough workout. It was simply designed by me to challenge you and to hopefully encourage you to continue to push it so you can better yourself down the road. I know I'm gonna come back to that workout and I'm gonna try and do it all the way through in a few weeks' time with no breaks, no rest. Remember, that was from a living room or from a hotel room. You don't need a gym membership. All you need is to commit your time and your effort, and I promise you, you're gonna be able to transform your body and your physical and mental well-being as well by getting active and eating healthy foods. So with that in mind, squatties, make sure you subscribe one last time to the channel. Very proud of you for doing another day. And likewise, if you haven't already done so, check out the 6-week lean challenge. Check out the 90-day lean plan. The new year is right around the corner and your goal should be to feel your best. And if you need my help, I would love to help you. Join the hundreds of other squatties who have already transformed and changed their lives. I'll see you back here next episode.